Hello parents. This video is about subscribing to alerts for your students' Parent Portal accounts. To view the options, you simply sign in to your Parent Portal account and choose the Alerts tab in the top green bar. You'll then be given two choices whether to view alerts or subscribe. Let's go to subscribe and talk about the options we have there. The first portion of the screen pertains to attendance alerts. Each type of absence or tardy has three options. You can choose not to be notified. You can choose to have one alert per occurrence of the day, or you can choose to be alerted for each occurrence of the day. So for example, if your student is a high school student and they have 8 class periods, you could get 8 alerts for a day that he is absent. The second part of the screen deals with student grade alerts. This first average alert would be when the student's average in any class drops below a custom number that you put in or the failing, which is 70%. In addition, you can be alerted for a particular assignment that receives a failing grade of below 70% or a custom number that you put in yourself. And lastly, you can also be notified if an incomplete assignment or a missing assignment is entered in the gradebook. Finally, how do you want to be notified? Through email message or text alert? You just choose that here in this box, but make sure that you have your email or your mobile phone set up on the My Account page after you choose this. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call the campus where your student is registered. Thank you.